Billy here. So I've got my deer for Christmas. As you can see, there are 3 deer. They all have LED lights, and they vary in height. This smaller one is probably about 3 feet tall, and then this taller one with the antlers is almost 6 feet tall. And they all come with these red ribbons. It was very easy to put together. I didn't even use the instructions. And from the time I took it out of the box and got everything separated, that was maybe 10 minutes, and it took me about another 10 or 15 minutes to put it all together. But it's really simple. As you can see here, it's gold. It's very nice quality too, and the lights are actually inside of it, and it's just really nice and glittery. It's really beautiful, and so it's real easy to once you put it outside. It does come with some hooks, and you can see down here, like on this leg here, there's actually a hole there where you're going to drive the hook in the ground like that, and you're going to push that down to the ground really good, so in case it's windy at any time, it's not going to blow it over. But I think you'll be really happy with these, and I know your neighbors are going to be jealous, and I hope mine are too. So I hope you have a very Merry Christmas.